Okay, my kindergarten friends, what we're going to be working on is Paul Klee's cat. Now, to get us started, you're going to need a crayon. So this is a twistable crayon that I have, and it is just, there's just a crayon inside there. So we're going to use that, and we're going to use up the most of our paper. So if you're using line paper, a sketchbook, or just computer paper like I am, just try to make sure that you're using up most of the space. So we're going to start with drawing two curved lines. So the first curved line is going to look like a backwards J, and then we're going to connect a forwards J to it. So starting at the top left hand, so this is our left hand side, and if you don't know which one is your left or your right hand, if you put your hands down on the paper, the one that makes a capital L is your left hand. So we also use our hands to help us measure. So we're going to do 2 fingers from the side, and that's where we're going to start our line. Make a bump up like that, and then we're going to go over here and do the same thing. Okay? Just like that. Now right here, we're going to make a heart shape. So we want the hearts connected. Okay, so we've made 2 shapes so far. So we have our shape here, and we have our shape here. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start drawing some detail lines. So from here, this is the cat's kind of poofy little chin. We're gonna draw 2 lines to make the neck of the cat. Right here, this is the cat's little chin or his mouth. And then from the nose, we're gonna draw up to create a triangle. So now we have a little cat nose. Now, this is a little bit harder. So we're gonna draw the eyes, and the eyes are gonna be big football shapes, and they're gonna go from the nose all the way to the side. So we're gonna go up, 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 and then down. The same thing, we're gonna go down, 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 up. Nice big football shaped cat eyes. So we go up, 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 down. And then we go down, 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 up. And don't worry if they're 2 different sizes. That part doesn't matter. If they're not the same size, it's not as important as just drawing the shape on here. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw some pupils. So you can draw those football shaped, or you can make them round, and try to make them as tall as your eye shape. And I know my cat looks a little funny because one eye is bigger than the other, but that's okay. And then you're going to draw some eyebrows. So you can go from here over, not quite all the way to the side, and then another eyebrow up here. And then we're going to draw some more lines to add some details. We're going to draw some whiskers, and you can draw your whiskers however you want. I like to do these curvy, exaggerated whiskers. So we're going to do the same thing. There's going to be 3 on this side, and they can be crazy curvy, or they can just be normal curvy lines. You don't have to do them as crazy as I did. And that is all we're doing for this step today. Next time, we will do some additional steps and add more details.